Have you ever been stressed, confused, or lost when trying to add a video into a presentation or a website? Or have you ever just copied the video link and it was horrible quality? This can be super frustrating and inconvenient when you come across this issue. Now, thanks to Google Sites, you are able to embed a high-quality video into your website. My name is Madison Roschow, and today I will be showing you how to embed a video into your Google Sites. I created this presentation to show you how to effectively embed a video into your Google Sites so that you'll never be confused or frustrated again. Before we dive into our Google tool, let's discuss Google Sites. Google Sites was created on February 28, 2008 by Google as a new tool in which creates and builds websites. With Google Sites, you are able to create and name your site, create different design layouts, order pages, add content, and so much more. I've been using Google Sites for about a year now, and I have found it incredibly helpful when presenting information to others and embedding videos to help my audience connect and interact with the content. Let's get started on how to embed a video into your Google Sites. First, you will need to find the video that you want to embed into your Google Sites. So I have found a 3rd grade nouns and verbs video that I want to include. So I will go to the URL and copy the link. Now you will head into your Google Sites and find where you want to embed this video. So for me, I want to use my assignments page. And then right below this nouns and verbs worksheet is where I will want to embed my video. So I'll click in this text box, and then as you can see on the right side over here, this pops up. So there's an option for you to have another text box, images, insert something from your Google Drive, or embed. So you want to click the embed option, and then where it says by URL, you will paste the URL that you have copied. Now, as you can see right here, this video has been embedded, and it'll pop up with this picture. So next, last step, you will click insert. And so now you can see that your video has been embedded, and you also have the option to move this around. So I'm going to drag this and move it right above the Monday. And so now you can see that the video has been embedded. So let's review what we have learned real quick. First, we copied our video URL link. We went to our Google Sites. We clicked on where we wanted to paste it, and we clicked the embedded option. We clicked paste, and lastly, we clicked insert. And that's how you embed a video into Google Sites. So now, as you can see, Google Sites allows you to see better quality videos. It allows you to interact and be engaged with the videos, and it allows you to watch and reflect on a topic. So for example, if you had a video on your Google Sites, you could watch it and then have your audience reflect and discuss what they saw in the video. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to embed a video into your Google Sites.